All right, what's up, folks? Let me know about the audio. How's the audio, Darth? Is it pretty good? Good. All right. That was a pain in the ass to set up, man. I don't know why it doesn't even make sense. Like, I got the newest Arch package. It works. I use it all the time for when I do my videos, and it just wouldn't connect. It would not connect to YouTube for nothing. So I had to remake a scene. I had to fix my green screen behind me. I had to do like all kinds of weird stuff. Of course, I had to set up the mic here, because if I don't have filters on the mic, then you guys will hear like the fan, the air conditioner, if my girlfriend's talking to me, or, you know, just whatever. But all right, looks like we're pretty good. Let me. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, dude. Let me fix this scene real fast. Let me move my damn head, because I don't have different scenes set up with this version of OBS. So what I could do is I'll fix that, and then I can move myself over here, and then I'll just shrink myself. So hopefully you guys can see. Oh, here's another weird thing too. All right. So I thought maybe the reason that it was like freaking out. Let me close this. I'm trying to close everything that I have open. Okay. So this is 3. We'll just go to 5. All right, that looks good. Hey, how you doing? So yeah, so what I thought was going on too was that because I'm in 2K, I thought that maybe it was freaking out. See, now Polybar is saying it's muted, but I'm not muted, obviously. I don't know. This thing's freaking out. But what can we do? So one of the things I thought, though, was that I thought that the 2K resolution was messing with OBS. So what I did is I downscaled the resolution. Well, if I downscaled the resolution, LEFTWM would freak out. Like, it wouldn't even let me downscale. Like, it doesn't automatically do that. So yeah. So let's go ahead and let me pull up some Emacs here, and then we'll start looking at this configuration. And there's a couple of things I want to do with this. One thing I definitely want to do is I want to get, because now I know we have that scaling issue with the screen resolution. I want to fix that. Because that was weird. It was like if I put in 1080p, normally when you downscale it to 1080p using X render or A render, what happens is the window manager, it fixes itself, right? Not LEFTWM. It did not do that at all. It maintained its the 2K resolution. So I'm gonna pull up a thing on my other monitor, and we need to look at LEFTWM. And there was a thing in there talking about the monitors. Actually, let's I'm gonna pull up another Firefox so you guys can see too. So there's a thing in here that talks about resolution, like screen res, and I want to fix that. So you see right here how we have like workspaces and everything. I think this has something to do with it. I'm not sure. So it's like you can view tags inside of a workspace. A workspace can be the whole screen. I don't fully understand it. Workspaces are only applied. Yeah, it's weird, right? Like right here, it says workspaces are only applied if the specified output is the name of a connected screen. Workspaces are how you view tags, desktops. But what's the difference between using a damn workspace and just using a tag? Like, I don't... That's something that the documentation just doesn't go over. You can also use the relative field. Oh, okay, so you can set multiple workspaces per screen. That's right, because I think LEFTWM, I think it supports like ultra-wide monitors. So if you had a, 60-inch ultra-wide or whatever, and you wanted to, you know how there's another window manager that does that, something very similar to that, where it allows you to have, like, if you had one monitor, you can kind of cut off half of that monitor and use it per, like, You think tags are like DWM tags? Yeah, yeah, I get that. But what I don't understand is I don't know how, like, I don't know the difference between a tag and a workspace. You know what I mean? Because in most window managers, tags and workspaces are kind of the same thing, right? Like DWM uses tags. I think Qtile uses workspaces, I believe. Oh, Herb's Lift? Yeah, yeah, that's the one I'm thinking of. I'm just trying to figure out the benefit of doing this. Like, I don't know. I mean, obviously, I want to use the whole entire screen. I don't, so that's the thing. I really don't think that we need to use workspaces because I'm not going to be splitting up my screen or anything. But this is cool. Like, we can have specific like applications launch on specific like tags, kind of like you do in every other window manager. And I did get I did get Scratchpad support working finally. As you can see, it's working, but it's not done. Here's another thing too. So it comes with, you know, it comes with your gaps. But is your gaps controlled by the themes, or is it controlled? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think that's. I don't think there's a separate, like, thing for it. Like, some of this documentation is not. It's not really there. Like, this is kind of it. You know what I mean? I wonder if there's anything in the legacy documentation. Probably not. It's probably all the same. You think it's in the theme file? Yeah, that might be something we need to look at, actually. Just the themes. Yeah, here we go. You're right. Theme.run, where theme is the name you want to configure. You can use current. All right, how do we get... I guess the first thing I need to do then is to get kind of themes going, don't I? Like, that's the... It's going to be the first step. All right, here we go. If you want to see more than a black screen when you log in, select a theme with LEFTWM theme. All right. I'll look at the theme guide and the wiki. But let's try that. Left WM theme. I don't have the left WM theme package. Oh, I'm gonna have to git clone this, I think. Maybe Paru has it. All right, so that's a theme manager. Trying to look at which one's the newest one here. I would imagine this to get one. Well, this is R94. I could just git clone it. And that would kind of be the newest. The latest and greatest. Yeah, okay, so it's this one. It's the left WM theme git. Alright. Baru left WM theme git. Alright, so now we got the theme. You just get it from git. Alright, let's go back to that command again. Theme. We'll do an update here. Now it's gonna fetch some of these themes. Blood Moon. That sounds let's get that Blood Moon. Let's get Blood Moon. Jesus, that sounds I don't know what to say about that one, but we're gonna check it out. Did it do anything? Like, I don't see any difference. Well, let me go to desktop 2 here. Yeah, I don't see any difference, do you? Let's look at some more. I'm gonna check it out. Excuse me. It may be because I have polybar set up a certain way. Desire. All right, let's do it. Ah, that changed. That did change. Okay. All right, well, let me go to desktop one. Okay, so it did change the wallpaper automatically for us, which I don't care about changing the damn wallpaper. I'll fix that myself. I don't think it's going to change Polybar simply because I have a custom theme. I have Polybar reading from a specific theme, like theme file, so I don't think Polybar is actually going to change. But I do like the border colors a little bit more on this theme. I do like that. So let's pretend that we'll keep it here. I mean, what I can do is just nitrogen restore here. But we got better border colors now than that, like that red border. I do like this a little bit better. I may change that to like pink or something, or like a purple kind of color. Hey, what's up, Ben? How you doing, buddy? Let me go ahead and make you mod, Ben. Just looking at some LEFTWM stuff, and it's definitely a little bit, and like it's a little different than some of the other window managers. But let me. You're building Linux from the kernel in BusyBox up. What the hell you mean BusyBox up? What's BusyBox up? You're building a custom like a custom LFS or something, or a custom thing? Oh, nice, dude, nice. Are you going to use MUSL or are you going to use glibc? Also, what init system you going to use? You going to use systemd, OpenRC? Yeah, I like the name of it. Xenix. I do like that name. That's definitely a cool name. glibc and OpenRC, nice, dude. What kind of package manager? A scratch package. You know, I tell you what, the way that NixOS is going, I wouldn't be surprised if you could use NixOS as package manager or something like that. Oh shoot. There's a 4. I got way too many windows open. Yeah, you can use Nix on a lot. Oh, wait a minute, dude. So look, check this out. I did not know this. Okay, so if we go to config, we go to left, right? Themes, current, whatever, right? It will actually pull down. It'll pull down a polybar, like, automatic configuration for you. Which is weird, because it didn't actually reset one for me on any of my monitors here, so I don't know if that part of it works. It even has a kitty, like a kitty config. Do I not have kitty installed? Sudo pacman. Alright, now we got kitty. Kitty? Ow. I file homechris config.kitty already exists. It must be a directory, not a file. Alright. Yeah, dude, look. So it pulls down all this crap. Look. So it pulled down kitty. It pulls down polybar. It pulls down wallpapers. Damn, and it pulls down like a lot of wallpapers. And that was one theme. So let's check out the other theme, the Blood Moon. Blood Moon does the same thing. It pulls down ropey themes, extra backgrounds. Really, ropey themes? Yeah, there's a ropey a thing. But I am kind of curious about that kitty. Yeah, it is a lot of bloat. It is. I mean, you're the thing though. Here's the thing though. It doesn't. You can write your own theme. It's not like they make you download a specific one, you know, like you can write your own. And my biggest thing though is like, you guys can't see it, but actually you could see it. Let me find a workspace here that I had nothing on. So if I pull up Firefox, right? So this is one of the big things for me. right here, the title bar, right? Like I have an exit button. Like I don't like that. I hate having that there. Also, another thing, these gaps. I like gaps, but do I really need that big of a gap or that small of a gap, depending on how you look at it? You know, like I would like to be able to configure and customize that part of it. I don't know if you guys can hear my cat in the background. She is chasing a mouse. Huh?
Mouse or her?
No, just give me her.
Oh, she might call you, but yeah, she's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. She ain't coming. No. But yeah. So that's like one of the couple of things that I do. Want to fix. Oh yeah, with the kitty thing though is, so Kitty's complaining right now because there's a config file. Oh, okay. So I see how it's doing it. All right, so we can do make directory. We can do Kitty, right? Okay. You know what? I'll just remove this comp file, and then what I'll do is I'll just now if we pull up Kitty, there's Kitty right there, and now what I'm actually, hold on, getting an error. It doesn't matter. I can fix that later. But what we can do now is I can go into my Kitty config, right? We can do ln -s LEFTWM themes. No, is it a theme or is it? Yeah, it's just themes. Current Kitty desire, and we'll, I think it's kitty.conf, right? That's what you have to name it. And now if we run Kitty, there we go. Dude, and I tell you what, that is like super easy. Like, I can really see I could see the benefit. I could really see the benefit of doing something like this. Because if you wanted to quickly change, but yeah, I mean that's a Kitty config. I didn't have to write a single damn thing, and to be honest, it looks fantastic. I mean, I guess, and that's the big thing with this, you know, with this desktop or whatever. I do like that. I like that color. I tell you what, man, I may, and you know I don't rice anything. I'm not a big ricer. That's not my. I'm not good at it. But I like those damn colors so much. I may end up ricing this thing to having those. Like it, I think it looks fantastic. I wonder what color scheme that actually is, though. I don't know. Some kind of pastel, though. It looks pastel to me. But yeah, that looks good. Do you know what color scheme that is, Darth? You're good with colors. Okay, Monica. I'll check it out. Here's the thing. You know, what I could do is I could just go ahead and have, because they have a polybar already set up, right? I could just write that desktop file to have the polybar. I might do that, or a modified groupbox. No, I don't think it's groupbox. I don't see. I see the Monica in it. I don't see groupbox. I mean, I could be wrong, and you might know a hell of a lot more than I do, but I don't. I just don't see it. Tell you what we could do. We could find out real fast though. Monoca color scheme, right? Monoca Pro. I don't think. I don't know. Um. We'll look at terminal. So here's a side by side with Monica. See, that almost looks the same. That almost looks the same, actually. It's not Monica Pro. All right, let's try Grove box color scheme. Terminal. See if we can narrow this down. Oh, here's kind of a side by side. Oh my god. They made it a private community. Hate you, Reddit. I don't think it's Groovebox. Or Grubbox or whatever it is. I just don't. Yeah, I don't think so. This is too. I mean, I don't know though. It could be. You know what? I wonder if the damn if the thing will tell us actually. So if I do that. All right. Let me check the thing and config LEFTWM theme current cat. Let's see what cat down says. Okay. See what the yeah, I don't know. Um maybe the you know, I might have it though. Um the actual GitHub package. So left themes. So they have a theming community too. That's kind of cool. I want to see what the default themes are though. Ooh, they got the Cata Pachoon theme. That's kind of cool. Dracula rounded. The forest. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's some screenshots and stuff so we can kind of figure this one out. Ooh, I like that ascent. Look at that. It's got that blue, like, I mean, it's not for everybody, but I think that blue looks pretty decent there. There's my Dracula theme. Ooh, and it's rounded. Rounded Dracula. All right. Now to be quite honest, I'm getting a little sick of Dracula. I want something new, man. It's Nord. This is Nord. Now here's a color scheme, buddy, that I think is a exceptional color scheme. I kind of like it. I think it looks really pretty, but I don't know. I don't think I could make it work. See what Blue Moon's supposed to look like here. Which one did I get? I got the Desire, didn't I? So we got Red Moon. I got Ocean Night. Let me go ahead and kill that kitty so we can do a full screen here. Oh, okay, okay. So there's Blood Moon. That's what it's supposed to kind of look like there. And then we got Bumblebee, Coffee. That doesn't look too bad. If you like that brown, it doesn't look too bad. There's Desire. So this is what the bar is supposed to look like. And to be quite honest, that looks... The kitty looks good, and I'm pretty sure I could make Alacrity look good, but yeah, I don't like that bar. I don't. I think it looks stupid. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of that bar right there, and that's the theme that we are running right now. And then of course Dracula, which, like I said, I want something new. Oh, you like workspace numbers? You don't like icons? I like that. Holy shit, I like those colors. Dude. I know, it's just like, that looks dead up. It's Dracula, right? But, yeah, DT can go overboard. Man, I don't know. There's a couple of these I'm really liking. What's that one called? Soothe? See if we can get this going. LEFTWM theme install Soothe. Alright, how do we install the community crap? Blah blah blah. Theming, please consider sharing the themes, okay. All right. Um. Get clone, blah blah blah. Theme, build. We got it. You can add repos. Oh, well, right here. It's pretty easy. So what we could do here is we could do, we're gonna go all out. I think we're gonna do, LEFTWM, NVM, themes, TOML. Siri has it in there. Why isn't it not? Do we need an update? Because it should just... Yeah, because it has it right there. Like, I don't understand how come... There's a Sue theme. That's the one I want. No, be sure that the URL points to a file called known toml. Okay. Commit version blah 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 current. Maybe set this to true. I don't know. I don't know how this works, man. Yeah, that's weird, right? I have no idea why it's not. Upgrade? Oh, here we go. Here we go. What? Could not fetch repo. For Blood Moon, you couldn't fetch it? So we can add a repo. Tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna copy this themes.toml and we'll just call it othemes.toml, right? And themes.toml. Shit. Is it capital G? Yeah. There we go. That's how we're gonna fix it. And then we're just gonna write our own because apparently the other one's junk. So we're gonna do repos. URL equals name equals, and this name is going to be Soothe, and right, and then the themes equal. I need to figure out what the themes equal has got to be. So name repo. Like all this stuff has the version and stuff, like the directions doesn't say anything about that. I don't know what that theme equal is gonna be. Just keep it. I'll keep it empty. I don't care. Okay. Well, we're gonna try this. And then we're gonna do LEFTWM update. Right there, and we got Soothe. But we added it just now. That's how you add. Now let's try to install it. That's the biggie, right? Repository information is missing for theme. What? I thought I just got rid of all that crap. Did I seriously just add it back? Themes.toml. I did. All right. No. Let's go up. I seriously did that, didn't I? I seriously screwed that up. All right, it's all right. All right, let's try this again. Try this again. We'll do URL equals, and then we'll paste that URL again, and then themes. I don't know what that's actually supposed to be. That's the thing. That's what's. All right, we're gonna write this. We're gonna write that. Wait a minute. When I updated a minute ago, I think what happened is it populated it. I don't think I screwed that up. repository information is missing. I have the stupid URL right there. Okay. This is kind of goofy, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it wants. It's not. Yeah, the documentation's not very good on this. I don't know. I don't know what the hell. Like, it's asking you what theme do you want? What, you know? Yeah, I get that, but look, I mean, we gave it all of the. I mean, we gave it the URLs and everything. Do I need to give it the actual repo of this Soothe theme? I mean, it's right here. And we can try. I'll try it like this, and then I'll put it as a string in a second. All right, I'll try it. But it also says something about you have to have a known toml. That's what the directions said. I mean, I'll try it. Shit. All right. Okay. I'm going to LEFTWM theme install Soothe, maybe? Oh, okay, okay. But you see right here, okay, like repository information is missing for theme. It's not missing. I just. Oh, you know what? You know what? You are correct. It's like look, that's how they have it set up right there. So you're right. Okay, okay. So we can just kind of. So name repository. If I can spell here. And then we'll have it set as that. And then we'll do, I don't know, we'll do just a whatever commit. Right? We don't care what kind of commit. I ain't gonna do any version thing. I'm gonna write that out. We're gonna update it, and then we'll see if this works. So looking for it. Hey, there we go. Cool. And it didn't. It didn't. It didn't do a whole lot. All right, let's figure out what this one actually installed because the other one apparently was way better. All right, soothe. What is soothe? What did it give us? Theme here. Oh, it gave us a polybar. That's it. The other one gave us a damn kitty, man. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. Like the other one was so much better. But that's how we do themes. I mean, that's kind of cool. Like, you know, I didn't even know how to do that earlier. So, yeah, this is a weird little window manager, isn't it? Boom. See, I like this one, man. You know what? I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Hey, wait a minute. My polybar. It borked my polybar at the top, man. You see that? And I don't know if I'm not a huge fan when it's like, what is this? I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I like that at the top. Output record. Why does it say it's muted? Or that's output, input. All right. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Looks stupid. Yeah, it looks real dumb, don't it? I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I like that, bud. I know Matt has some good polybar configs. I mean, I have a good polybar config too. The only problem with my polybar config is it uses the Dracula color scheme rather than like something else. Which I'm not. Again, it's not that huge of a deal. You know what though? I'm gonna keep the same color scheme, and I might start using Kitty. I kind of like it, but I do need to. Let's look in my auto start here. Config. Oh shit! If I can type here. Cap polybar. Yeah, so this will reset as soon as I do a hard reset. LEFTWM should reset because polybar. In fact, I think we can. You know what we can do? Just go in LEFTWM here. We'll go in these themes. Current. And I'm going to remove polybar. And now there ain't no polybar. And that's how we can fix that. And then I'll just, I'll start mine up. Abdullah wants to know, can you make a request to make a video of Void Linux install from base? I think I have that video already on the channel, Abdullah. In fact, I think it's called The First Look at Void Linux. I mean, whatever install I do, I have to kind of do it in a I have to do it in a virtual machine because I don't have a capture card. So, but it's the same install. Yeah, just look on the channel. I think it's under it's called First Impressions of Void Linux or Void Linux First Look At or something like that, and that should, in fact, I can probably find it here because I know I've made a video. Entering the void. There we go. Void Linux first impressions. Here we go, Abdullah. I'll link it for you. Cool. All right, man. Yeah, that should help you out, and that should be. I mean, it's pretty. It's. I don't think the install ever changes. But the install of Void Linux is actually relatively easy. It's not hard. Go ahead and get my bar set back up. Yep, it's an incursus. It's the same thing for Slackware. Same kind of install. Hey, give me a short second here, guys. I need to actually I need to run to the restroom real fast. So give me a short second. Now I'll be as soon as I get back. I'll talk about this install. All right, fellas, I am back. I'm sorry about that. What's up, Oglo? Thanks for stopping by. Abdullah, did you find that video, man? Ben's writing a script. I'll tell you what, Ben, you're I swear, man, you're gonna be. You watch in like 10 years, dude. I'm gonna be using your OS, or your Linux OS, because you're always like messing around with that type of stuff. So one thing I think with the steaming too is I like it. I mean it's kind of it's okay, right? It's kind of goofy, but it's whatever. I want to know how to change these damn gaps though. I'm looking at the theme folder, man. This is the theme folder. I see it. They just, the only thing they have in here, they don't have anything that says gaps. They have, yeah. This is the theme.ron. I wonder if it says margin is the gaps. Okay. So, yeah, 8 is way too much. Like, 4 wouldn't be that bad. I think I gotta reset it. Shit. Alright. Yep, U is correct. Okay. Excuse me. Alright. So... Yeah. Actually, 6 might not be bad. Okay. Here's another question. Let me reset this and then I'll have to get Qtile. I mean, not Qtile, Polybar fixed again. Alright. How do we get rid of the damn, I guess it's task, the like the task bar, not task bar, but the bar at the top of like Firefox or whatever. Because you can see, dude, I hate this. This drives me like batshit. I don't like having a, I don't like having that up there. I do like that wallpaper though. That wallpaper looks looks pretty nice. Yeah, I do. Really like that actually. I wonder if it's a specific layout. The reason it's like that. But see, the layout that we're in the master and stack. And what's weird, here's what's weird. It doesn't do this with terminals. Okay, it doesn't do this with terminals. It doesn't do it with, so maybe it's a Firefox thing? Or maybe it's a rule, it's some kind of rule or something. I don't know. Let's see if Audacity has it. I got VLC. See if something like frickin' VLC has it or something. No? Okay, so it really is only a Firefox type of thing. God, it drives me nuts, though. You know why it drives me nuts? It's not the fact that it's there. But look, check this out. It doesn't do anything. Like, I'm clicking the stupid button, and it doesn't do anything. That's what pisses me off about it. It's not the fact that it's there. It's the fact that it doesn't do anything. Now, that doesn't do anything. The only thing that does something is a stupid close. And I'm never going to use it. Never ever going to use that stupid close button. Is that... Is that what I put in Firefox, or is that what I put in LEFTWM? Alright, so we do about config dot title bar. Title bar button box. Okay. Title bar. See, I don't think it's there, bud. That looks like some kind of CSS. Yeah, yeah. It looks like I need a custom CSS file. And that'll be for another stream. I'll just I'm gonna have to make a note of it though. I ain't using Nano. Button box container. Well, I think that's about wraps it up. We I did get some stuff done though, and I learned a couple of things about LEFTWM here. It is a weird, unique kind of window manager. I'm going to continue using it, I think. The only thing I do want to get done with this, and I'll do it sometime, is I need to get the like I like this. I actually like this background, and with Kitty, well, Kitty uses that blue, but I really do like this. Maybe like a custom polybar that kind of has these themes or whatever, like the theme of this, and that looks real good. And I might be using Kitty going forward, so that would be kind of cool. But everything else, I mean, it's a window manager, you know? It opens windows, and it does work. Just really not a whole lot to do with this thing except mess with some custom keybinds, which I'm gonna do probably on my own. But yeah, I think that about wraps up this stream. I want to thank everyone for coming out and checking it out. You guys got any last minute stuff? Oh, last minute stuff, rather. Yeah, it's not bad, Darth. It's weird. Like it's kind of weird. Like it's different. The one thing I will say though, the one thing that I will say about it is the documentation is not great. And really, when you break down the documentation that it does have, like, yeah, it has scratch pads. Like, it has all the support that every other window manager has. But it's not a lot of documentation. And it's not... Awesome WM stream, maybe? Yeah. That would be for another day. That would be for another day. But no, like the one thing I do, you know, one thing I do like about it is that the documentation is really easy. But the bad thing is that, like, honestly, there's just not a lot of features. There's not a lot of features to this, you know, to this window manager. Like without themes, it doesn't really have a way to change caps. And I mean, the config is very, very tiny. Like you can't really do a whole lot with it. It's very easy to read. But I don't know. Like you need external with this window manager, you have to have your own bar. You have to have, you know, your own stuff. Which I understand because it's supposed to be a window manager and that's all it's supposed to do. But at the same time, it's kind of like, well, you know, it could have been, could be a little bit better. Right. Yeah, with like Qtile, even DWM. DWM, it's like, you know, and Qtile and Awesome. But I think a lot of those other window managers, I think the reason they look so big and look so like a lot of things are going on is because of the bar. It's not because of the actual window manager. Half of that shit is the bar. You know what I mean? Whereas this is just the window manager. That's it. Like if you put this up and polybar against something like Qtile, they probably even out, right? In terms of configuration, in terms of like how big they seem. But when you separate them and you look at just LEFTWM, it just seems so tiny. It does. It seems like a tiny project, and I get it. It's kind of a newer project. I don't even think they're in 1.0 or 1.1. So yeah, they're not even in 1.0, man. They're 0.41. So no, I would agree. That no, what I'm talking about is like, okay, for instance, DWM. DWM's not that big. Now the patches make it big, right? But DWM itself is not very big. Qtile, if you took away Qtile's bar, Qtile is really not that big. What makes Qtile look big is this damn bar. Now maybe Awesome's pretty big because Lua is, you know, it's huge. But and Xmonad has a lot of stuff going on for it. I will agree with Xmonad. Xmonad is its own separate beast. And like you said, if you get into Xmonad, you're you're not getting out. You're going in head first, and you know. But I think this compares with stock DWM and Qtile without the bar. Without Qtile's bar, I think it kind of compares in terms of like what it can do, right? Not how easy it is or how hard it is or anything like that. Just about what it does. They both have scratch pads. They both have built-in gaps. They both, you know, the only difference, the only big difference is Qtile supports key cords out of the box. I know. Xmonad's a beast, man. Like it's big. All right, folks. I think I'm probably gonna wrap up this stream. Anyway, thank you all for coming out. I do appreciate it, and yeah, I'll probably still talk to most of you after I get done with the stream. So yeah, but until next time, I want you guys to all take care, be safe, and peace. Thanks for coming out, folks.